Yes, I said you may need yourself a beard oil because if you are somebody who doesn't have any beard on your face, this is not that important to you. But then you may need it because sometimes when you use the minoxidil, you end up... Alright, so before ever deciding on growing a beard, there are certain things you must know before ever embarking on this journey. And trust me, this is that I'm going to talk about in this video will help you reach your destination with much less difficulties than somebody who doesn't know what I'm going to talk about here. So if you are somebody who is now beginning to grow a beard or who is deciding to grow a beard now, this video is for you. Even if you are somebody with a beard, watch the video. You might find one or two things that may be beneficial to you. So without wasting much of your time, hit the like button and subscribe for your boy. Let's hop into the video. Listen to me. Before you ever think of growing a beard, you have to have this kind of mentality that the journey is not going to be easy. Yes, growing a beard can be one of the most difficult things you ever do in your life because of some of the challenges that comes along with the journey. But then if you understand this kind of thing, you're not going to have much problem than somebody who thinks that growing the beard is an easy journey or it's an easy thing. Yes, so you need to bear it in mind that beard growth is very difficult. You're going to end up feeling like giving up because it doesn't grow overnight. And another most key aspect of all this thing is patience. Yes, you need to have patience for you to be able to achieve the kind of results you want. Without patience, trust me, you're going to end up shaving off your beard. Yes, I've seen a lot of guys who have started growing the beard, but along the way it stops growing or they start seeing some challenges and then they decide to quit. So you need to have the patience and bear in mind that it's not going to happen overnight. If you have this kind of mindset, trust me, everything is going to be smooth to you. So let's hop into the second point. All right, so now that you understand that you need patience and it's going to be difficult for you to grow this or to embark on this journey, there are certain products you must get which will help you reach your destination easily. You get it, and trust me, without this product the road is going to be very difficult for you. Even if the product is not easy, just imagine without this product. So the product I'm talking about is you're going to need yourself a minoxidil. Yes, minoxidil is one of the most trusted products that helps a lot of guys grow their beard. So if you really want to grow a beard, you must get yourself a minoxidil 5%. Yes, there are 10% and 2%, but then as a guy you need yourself the 5% because that's what is going to help you. Get yourself a minoxidil 5% and apply it daily. Yes, you need to apply it twice a day or once a day daily for you to be able to see results. In addition to the minoxidil, you also need yourself a demarula. Yes, this for those who don't know what a demarula is, this is a device that helps stimulate hair growth. It also helps with the absorption of the minoxidil because you use it to roll over the place before applying the minoxidil. And if you don't know how to apply the minox and you also don't know how to use the demarula, I've made a separate video about them. I'll put them here and I'll put the links down in the description so that you can check them out later. In the videos, I made a thorough explanation on how to use these products, so don't forget to check them out here. There are different sizes of the needles, but then try and get yourself the 0.5 millimeters. Yes, as a starter, try and get yourself that one. This is 1.0, but then you don't need this one. You need yourself the 0.5. And in addition to the minox and the demarula, you may need yourself a beard oil. Yes, I said you may need yourself a beard oil because if you are somebody who doesn't have any beard on your face, this is not that important to you. But then you may need it because sometimes when you use the minoxidil, you end up getting skin dryness. Yes, that's when you apply this to the skin. And then maybe with time, when you start growing out the beard, you can also use this one on the hair. Yes, that's when you need this one. And again, if you don't know how to use a beard oil, I'll put a link into the description. I've made a video about how to use a beard oil and I'll put the link in the description. Feel free to check that one out too. And then one last thing you may also, or one last product you may also need is a biotin supplement. Yes, biotin supplement. You don't necessarily need it if you are somebody who eats healthy or who eats a balanced diet. But then most of us, you and I know, most of us don't really eat a well-balanced diet. So you may need a biotin supplement to assist you in this journey. So these are all the products you need. Let me recap them. You need yourself a minoxidil 5%, a demarula, a beard oil, and a biotin supplement. But then the most important ones you must get or you may need are the minoxidil and the demarula. Yes, the beard oil and the biotin are all optional. You get it, they are all optional, so you don't necessarily need that. Yes. Now let's say the beard has started growing. The next thing you must know is don't be quick to shave off the beard. Yes, there is this myth out there that if you shave off your beard or if you shave it off regularly, it's going to help the beard grow. No, you don't have to do that. If you shave off the beard, if you don't take care, you'll never even get it back again, because you need to allow the hair to reach to the terminal stage before ever shaving it off. But then a lot of guys, for some reason, they end up shaving it off, thinking that it will come back. And you know, sometimes a lot of guys do shave it because they end up getting a lot of patches in the beard, which will make them look not nice. Because of that, they end up shaving it off because they don't want to be walking around with patches. That's why in the beginning of the video, I made mention of patience, and have it in mind that it's not going to be easy. Because if you understand that aspect of this whole journey, these whole challenges will not be a deterrent for you not growing the beard. So you need to understand that these things will happen, but then don't be quick to shave it off. Yes guys, this is such a quick video. I hope you guys find it so informative. If you do, as usual, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for your boy. Let me know what you think about the video. Is it informative, or is there something that you guys want me to talk about that I'm not talking about here? Just let me know into the comment section. I really appreciate it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Peace.